Welcome to 1 Minute to Mindfulness. Today we're focusing on a simple exercise to bring tranquility into your hectic schedule. Inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand with air. Now exhale slowly, letting go of tension or stress. Dissolve any heavy thoughts, making your mind sharp and focused. Close your eyes and tune into your body. Sense your feet rooted on the floor, anchoring you to the here and now. Observe any sensations, the tingle, warmth, or even a soft breeze. Shift your focus to your breath. Notice the cool intake and warm exhale. Follow your breath's natural flow, letting it secure you in the present. As thoughts flutter by, acknowledge them without judgment, and gently guide your focus back to your breath. Inhale, exhale. Spend a moment fostering gratitude. Think of something you're grateful for today. It could be as simple as a hot cup of tea or a cherished one's grin. Embrace this gratitude, letting it fill your heart with positivity and joy. Take one final deep breath, cherishing this tranquil moment, and exhale slowly, releasing any leftover tension. When you're ready, softly open your eyes and return to your surroundings. Carry this calmness and mindfulness with you, knowing you can always return to this peaceful pause. Thank you for practicing this 1-minute mindfulness exercise. We hope it bestows moments of serenity and aids you in navigating life with a heightened sense of ease. If this video resonated with you, subscribe to our channel for more mindfulness practices and tips. It only takes a minute to find your peace. Thanks for watching.